Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Il m'a fallu 1 an seulement pour parler couramment. It took me only 1 year to become fluent. Il m'a fallu 1 an seulement pour parler couramment. It took me only 1 year to become fluent. I would be really amazed if you told me that in French. J'ai parfaitement compris tout ce que vous avez dit. I completely understood everything you said. J'ai parfaitement compris tout ce que vous avez dit. I completely understood everything you said. Nice. Très bien. Very good. J'apprends le français depuis 10 ans. I've been learning French for 10 years. J'apprends le français depuis 10 ans. I've been learning French for 10 years. And it took you only 1 year to become fluent. Nice. 10 years is a long way to go, but it may be the time you need to learn a language properly, actually. J'apprends le français par moi-même. I'm learning French all by myself. J'apprends le français par moi-même. I'm learning French all by myself. All by myself. I'm learning French all by... Now you're learning French with me. Je parlerai français comme un locuteur natif dans 3 ans. I speak French like a native speaker in 3 years. Je parlerai français comme un locuteur natif dans 3 ans. I'll speak French like a native speaker in 3 years. Good luck with that. Je peux mémoriser environ 50 nouveaux mots français par jour. I can memorize around 50 new French words a day. Je peux mémoriser environ 50 nouveaux mots français par jour. I can memorize around 50 new French words a day. Wow, that's amazing, yeah. That's really amazing, so yeah, if you told me that in French, I would be amazed. Je peux regarder des films français sans sous-titres. I can watch French movies without subtitles. Je peux regarder des films français sans sous-titres. I can watch French movies without subtitles. Man, and this is also really good, and it's a really good way to learn as well. So do it whenever you can. You can try by starting to watch Le fabuleux destin d'Amélie Poulain. It's a very famous French movie. Je sais aussi parler quelques autres langues à part le français. Apart from knowing French, I can speak a few other languages as well. Je sais aussi parler quelques autres langues à part le français. Apart from knowing French, I can speak another few languages as well. Good job! I bet you can also speak English! That's already 2 languages. Le français est amusant et facile à apprendre. French is fun and easy to learn. Le français est amusant et facile à apprendre. French is fun and easy to learn! Well, I'm glad you enjoy it, and I hope you will continue to enjoy the lessons with me as well. Merci, mais en fait, je ne suis pas un locuteur natif. Thank you, but I'm not a native speaker, actually. Merci, mais en fait, je ne suis pas un locuteur natif. Thank you, but I'm not a native speaker, actually. Wow! If someone tells you this, it means not only you're really good at speaking French, but you also got no accent at all. Ce n'est pas toi, c'est moi. It's not you, it's me. Ce n'est pas toi, c'est moi. Liars, liars everywhere. Of course it's not myself, it's you, obviously. J'ai besoin de me concentrer sur ma carrière. I need to focus on my career. J'ai besoin de me concentrer sur ma carrière. And your lover be like, you only love your job and not me. J'ai besoin de mon espace. I need my space. J'ai besoin de mon espace. I need my space. Ah, that's harsh. Je ne suis simplement pas prête pour ce genre de relation. I'm just not ready for this kind of relationship. Je ne suis simplement pas prête pour ce genre de relation. I'm just not ready for this kind of relationship. Then don't start one! I don't know, if you're not ready for this, just don't start it all together. Je pense que nous avons besoin d'une pause. I think we need a break. Je pense que nous avons besoin d'une pause. I think we need a break. So yeah, you know when you are on a break, it will last forever, right? So just get over it and go away, because it doesn't work to fix the relationship again anyway. Soyons seulement amis. Let's just be friends. Soyons seulement amis. Let's just be friends. Cute. You just got friend-zoned. Let's just be friends. Cute. Tu mérites mieux. You deserve better. Tu mérites mieux. You deserve better. This is also a lie. You're just trying to make the other person feel good. They are the one not deserving you. That's why you're breaking up, right? I deserve better. Je mérite mieux. It's a way more accurate sentence of what you're really thinking about. Je ne suis pas assez bien pour toi. I'm not good enough for you. Which is basically the same as previous one, but putting the blame on yourself. Oh, I'm not good enough. You should go away. Of course you're good enough, or else why are you the one breaking up? Nous ne sommes tout simplement pas faits l'un pour l'autre. We are just not right for each other. Nous ne sommes tout simplement pas faits l'un pour l'autre. We are just not right for each other. This one is kinda true, that works. This is honest. Yeah, it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Please go away now. Je ne t'aime plus, tout simplement. I just don't love you anymore. Je ne t'aime plus, tout simplement. I just don't love you anymore. Harsh! So harsh. Bye-bye. Go away. C'est une langue magnifique. It's a beautiful language. Ooh, ah. Oh, le français est une langue magnifique. It sounds so poetic and artsy, doesn't it? J'adore apprendre les langues, tout simplement. I just love learning languages. That's true. And French can be quite a challenge, so yeah, try it. J'adore la culture et les gens qui parlent la langue. I love the culture and the people who speak the language. French culture is really rich and old, and French people are quite unique, so let's discover them together with the French language. J'aimerais comprendre mes chansons, films et émissions de télévision préférées. I want to understand my favorite songs, movies and TV shows. Yeah, French television can be quite funny, and a lot of the jokes are made out of puns. So if you understand the French language, you can really enjoy them more than just with subtitles. So in the evening, we have a lot of French TV series or French news with newscasters that are really satirical and are quite funny to watch. So maybe try those. Ma famille vient d'un endroit où l'on parle la langue. My family comes from a place where the language is spoken. Somehow you move to some places and you want to learn the origin of your language. It's nice to be speaking two languages. La langue est utile pour mon travail. The language is useful for my job. La langue est utile pour mon travail. The language is useful for my job. So yeah, again, if you're planning to work in France, a lot of people don't speak English, or in the workplace, you really need to speak French. C'est mon passe-temps. It's my hobby. It's a nice hobby to learn languages. And yeah, again, if you're looking for a challenge, French may be a right place to start, because you can still read it, but speaking it is quite difficult. Enjoy your French hobby with me and learn a lot of French with French Pod 101. Cela fait partie de mes études universitaires. It's part of my university studies. So if you're studying, don't forget to watch a lot of series without the subtitles and a lot of books or newspapers, magazines, and watch a lot of TV to get the pronunciation right. J'apprends la langue pour impressionner quelqu'un. I'm learning the language to impress someone. J'apprends la langue pour impressionner quelqu'un. I'm learning the language to impress someone. I want to impress you by speaking French. Why not? I would be really impressed if someone not native French could speak French properly, because it's really hard. Who do you want to impress with French? Is it a girl or a boy? Parce que j'aime la nourriture. Because I like the food. Parce que j'aime la nourriture française. Because I love French food. And you want to read them on the menu properly and order them in French by yourself and enjoy all the delicious food France has to offer. That would be a nice reason. This is a reason to learn French. Tarte au citron. Tastes so lemony. And the dough is super good too, it's crunchy. Have a little bite of French. Yum, 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 yum. Ah, bacon, bacon, bacon. In French, bacon. Le bacon. Come on, everyone likes bacon. Bacon is worth dying for. Le bacon vaut la peine de mourir. Boisson gazeuse. Soda. Boisson gazeuse, soda. I like soda too. Les boissons gazeuses, c'est mal. Soda is bad. L'eau, c'est mieux. Water is better. Water is better. We should do a poster about it. Boisson énergisante. Energy drinks. Boisson énergisante. Energy drink. I personally find those disgusting and not efficient at all. So yeah, refrain from drinking them. Je n'aime pas les boissons énergisantes. I don't like energy drink. They taste like melted bubble gum. Ugh. Bonbon. Candy. Bonbon. Candy. Candy are bad for your teeth. Les bonbons, c'est mauvais pour les dents. Don't eat too many of them. Chips. Potato chips. Chips. Potato chips. Yeah, the French pronunciation of chips is chips. Les chips, c'est croustillant. Potato chips are crispy. Be careful, stay healthy, and eat your vegetables. Don't eat all the stuff we talked about today. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy French. And please tell me in the comment what will be your most disgusting bad food that will kill you faster. Leave it in the comment. What was your way of dying faster with food? So we'll see you next time. À bientôt. Nice way to die. Food.